welcome back to another Allure box unboxing. This is for the, I want to say, June 2020 Allure Beauty Box. I'm really excited. I've been putting off using anything in it until I film this, so since I'm so stoked to use what all's in here, need to do this. So, anyways, here we go. So we've got our little booklet that comes with it. Brighter days. The past few months have reinforced the fact that beauty is not the most important thing in the world, but as I stared at the four walls of my apartment week after week, my beauty routine did become the most important part of my day. It could determine my mood. The mornings when I styled my hair or put on lipstick turned out to be infinitely more productive, and a 15-minute manicure served as an afternoon pick-me-up. During such uncertain times, these small acts of self-care have helped to ground me, and to assist with your at-home beauty routine, this month's box is packed with a 2-step sheet mask and easy-to-use nail wraps, which is pretty cool. I've never had a 2-step sheet mask before. I've only had single-step ones, so I'm like, ooh, sounds fancy. So anyways, diving right in. We're going to start off with the thing I am honestly the most excited that I actually got. Oh my god, it's the Purlisse Watermelon and Charcoal Purifying Cleanser. I freaking love Purlisse, and I adore their watermelon line, but they're so stinking expensive to where I can't usually justify buying it. But I've gotten them in Ipsy, and now I've gotten one here, and I'm like, ah! And it's full-sized and everything. I'm so stupidly happy you don't even know. So it gently cleanses skin, removes makeup, purifies, and energizes. It's for all skin types. The benefits of watermelon is it's packed with vitamins A, B6, and C to keep skin energized and hydrated. Charcoal helps remove toxins from the skin's surface and controls excess oil. White tea protects the skin from cellular damage. Whole oat calms and soothes sensitive skin. And it is inspired by my grandmother's Asian beauty wisdom and modern philosophy by the creator. So on the back, sorry, a little bit dyslexic. Beauty through Asian wisdom. Watermelon and charcoal purifying cleanser. It's infused with white tea and whole oat to gently wash away dirt, impurities, and makeup in one simple step. This soothing multitasker leaves skin pure, clean, and free of toxins without stripping skin of its natural oils, which is a major deal if you look up stuff on stripping the skin of its natural barrier. Like, you do not want to do that. You want to protect that at all costs. The ritual, use on damp skin and rinse lightly with warm water. And that's it. It's very easy, and I'm really, really excited for this. So let's read what it says in the little booklet here. When I find whatever page it's on. There it is. Usually anything too fragrant or oil-absorbing has big potential to dry out my sensitive skin, and yet I keep reaching for my watermelon and charcoal cleanser because it strikes the perfect balance between clarifying and soothing. You can see the pore vacuuming charcoal inside the black tinted gel when you squeeze it out of the tube. The watermelon scent is refreshing, not cloying. It's nothing like watermelon gum, and the cleanser removes the day's makeup and leaves behind a clean feeling without drying me out, so I've been using it twice a day. Its price point is $18 for this tube, which not as bad as some of the Purlisse products, but it's still kind of steep. But yeah, and right now I can use a promo code to get 20% off through August 31st if I want to get more of it, so that's not too bad at all. So there's that. I also got a Yensa Super 8 lip oil, which, a nourishing, rich blend of 8 superfood oils, this multitasker hydrates lips with a pop of color. Tinted lip oil, gorgeous even color, leaves lips with a killer shine, graceful aging lip nourisher. Infused with 8 super oils to hydrate the lips, lightweight, non-sticky texture, delivers antioxidants with superfoods, and helps minimize the appearance of fine lines, which would be fantastic since it's starting to reach a certain age here. But yes, it's got vitamin E, coconut oil, rice bran oil, avocado seed oil, carrot seed oil, chia seed oil, black sesame seed oil, and flaxseed oil. And this is in the color Pink Shine. Let's take a look. I bet it's going to be so pretty. Oh, it says something in here too. Meaning of yen. Chinese, it means color and face. In English, it's deep desire and passion. In Vietnamese, it means calm and peaceful. And in Japanese, it means currency. It's kind of cool. Oh, Look, it does have a big old bubble in it, but I mean, look how pretty! Look how stinking pretty that is! Oh my gosh. I cannot wait to use this. I'm kind of curious why there's such a large bubble in it. I hope that doesn't mean it's used, but man, it is pretty. So I've got that. Let's read what it says about it in here. What page has that? Okay. And that's $28. So that little thing is worth more than the Pure Lease. This oil has a hot pink tint that perks up your complexion, but the color is sheer. It's closer to a popsicle stain than a gloss, and it quickly dries down to a thin layer on lips without any greasiness or stickiness. It's loaded with antioxidants and moisturizers, including vitamin E, coconut, and avocado seed oils. So each time you put it on, you're also working towards smoother lips in the long run, which is fantastic. This I'm pretty darn excited to see in here, too, because I loved the last thing by Belief that they sent me. And this is the Belief the True Cream Aqua Bomb Aloe Vera. When it comes to my hair, I've been slicing open an aloe vera leaf to reveal its slimy goodness as a step in my wash day routine for years, and I use the blended pulp as a soothing pre-shampoo treatment to nourish my itchy scalp and dry curls. But smoothing the gooey gel on my face, which also tends to be dry, is not as appealing. Instead, I turn to Belief's new Aqua Bomb Aloe Vera Gel, or Aloe Vera formula, an update on the brand's super popular Aqua Bomb Gel Cream, which I'm also super intrigued to try at some point. Their original beloved hydrator is still available, but this new version ups the ante with aloe extract. I apply it right after my serums, but before sunscreen, and my skin is instantly dewy. When I'm staying in for the day, I like to add an extra layer for a brief at-home facial. And this normally is $38. I don't know if this is full size or sample size, because their stuff tends to run small, so I'm like, this might be the full size for all I know. But yeah, I got that. I have a Shangri Spa Care System Gold Black Pearl Eye Masks. They go under your eyes. Let's see here. Oh, they show different places you can use them. You can use them under the eyes, you can use them up here, you can use them on your smile lines. Wow. That is actually really interesting to me. Because look, they have a chart here of different places you can use them. Interesting. I never would have thought of that, but that's actually really intriguing to me. I think I'd prefer to use them around here, honestly. Let's see here. Where has it got this page? They are in here, aren't they? Okay. So this is what they look like in the thing. The Shangri Gold Black Pearl Eye Mask. In my experience, eye masks are either pretty, say in fancy metallic shades, or they work great. But these Shangri masks are both effective and Instagram worthy. They're made of a black hydrogel with gold shimmer and soaked in an essence made with glycerin, black pearl, and gold extracts. In 20 minutes, these patches cleared up the puffiness from several sleepless nights and helped get rid of some dry patches at the corners of my eyes. You get 60 patches in one tub, enough mask selfies to last an entire month. Huh. And that, oh Jesus, price is $60, so for like each individual one, not for a pair, but each individual one, that's like $1. That is crazy. Don't think I want to spend that, but they do have a code valid through the end of July. Well, I missed it by like a tiny bit, to get 30% off. Oh well, I'll use these anyway, because I don't want to spend that much. These intrigue me. These are Dashing Diva Gloss Ultra Shine Gel Palette nail strips. They look a bit large for my tiny little baby-sized fingers, but I mean, look at these. They are very, very pretty. We've got some that are like a taupe with little gold accents on them, some with pearl accents. There's some that are a pearl background with gold crisscrosses. There's some that look like holographic opal and glitter. Like, can we just appreciate the beauty of these? Like, they're so pretty. I'm like, these are definitely probably going to have to be an accent nail thing for me, since let's get a good look at them, like, out of the package. Because I think for, like, my pinkies, there's nothing small enough in there for me. I don't think. Well, actually, no, I take it back. There's, like, one in the entire thing that might... Ooh. Oh, cool! It came with a nail file, too. And some instructions, and wherever the hell that is. What's this foil for? I don't know. Well, let's put it back in case it's important. Come on, get back in here. Let's get back in, get back in. Okay. I don't know if that foil is actually for anything or just for looks, but okay. So the entire palette looks like this. The only one potentially that might work for my pinkies is this guy here. And even that look, yeah, I'm pretty sure that's like the only one small enough. And I would have to trim it down. But, that said, at least they do have one small enough for me. It's a shame that they only have the decorative part on one end, but it is what it is. Still cool though. The rest of them, they go way, way bigger than my nails actually are, so I don't know what to do with those. Toenail accents? I don't know, but let's see. My thumbnail probably aligns with this guy right here. So everything bigger than this, I have no idea what I'm gonna do with, but from there onward, they're small enough for me anyway. Any recommendations on what to do with the giant ones, please leave it in the comments, but those sure are pretty, I must admit. So let's pop this bad boy back in here for now, along with the little nail file. That is a nice set, though, I have to admit. I also generally don't have long enough nails to justify doing nail wraps, but maybe I'll grow them out just for this, just to say I did them. Okay, oh, and I ripped the little package. Okay, well that sucks, but it was just the outer packaging. Okay, so they supposedly wear just like salon gel, which I find hard to believe, but let's hear the claim. I'm in the middle of recording!
Turn off the air conditioner, please.
Anyway, so Dashing Diva Gloss Ultra Shine Gel Palette. These retail for $9 for a set. It says, when I was a beauty intern making $0, I would do an at-home manicure once a week. I got really good at applying nail stickers, and Dashing Diva was one of the first brands I tried. The gloss gel strips have lots of shine and long-lasting designs, and they're easy to apply. Just clean your nails with alcohol, then match a strip size to each nail. Stick it on cuticle side first, smooth out the bubbles. You don't need a fancy tool, just use your fingertips and file off the excess. At a glance, a coworker even assumed I'd gotten my nails done at a trendy New York salon. Well, from what I've heard, I have to turn this off, by the way. From what I've heard, $9 is pretty standard for these sets, so they're nothing insane. I think they even sell this particular brand at, like, CVS and Walgreens, so if you want, like, some good budget nail stuff, these fit the bill for that. And then, finally, let's get it out here. It's, like, really jammed into the bottom of the box. Ah, the Starskin 100% Camellia Nourishing and Brightening 2-Step Oil Sheet Mask. So, this says, where is it in here? It was first page. Sometimes it feels like every sheet mask is the same. They're all soaked in serum and easy to wear around the house, but the Starskin features one big difference. It comes with a vial of pure camellia seed oil to boost its hydrating effects. The oil is naturally packed with fatty acids, which help plump up even super dry skin, and antioxidants. First you apply the oil all over your face, then you put on the sheet mask, which has niacinamide, fantastic for your skin by the way, sodium hyaluronate, and more camellia oil. Open up the sheet mask section before you apply the oil because your hands will be slippery. Good to know, because I wouldn't have thought of that. The two-step treatment will leave your skin with a pretty gleam, but I like to use the duo right before bed for softer skin the next day, and I use the extra oil in the ampule as a moisturizer in the morning. And this, apparently, on its own, would retail for $10 for one mask. Which, again, seems really high, but then you take into account the fact that it is a two-step mask, not just a mask, and it does have an ampule here. And I guess it seems more reasonable. I mean, I've gotten to the point where I've gotten used to spending up to about $5 for a single sheet mask without batting an eyelash, so given the extra here, I might eventually reach a point where this doesn't seem too insanely priced, but yeah, I'm very excited to try this one anyway. So, but yeah, that is what I got in my June Allure box. So, let me know if you guys are a member what you got in yours, because they do vary a little bit from different versions of the boxes. So, anywho, that's it for this one. You guys know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like me, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below, make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below, and if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, bye-bye.